Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today Gd&T lecture second is discussed here. I'll explain all these points deeply and clearly. Today lecture second is discussed here, and second is dimensional units. Dimensional units is very important role in Gd&T. Okay, and at first, okay, this all point you can say here. Today discuss one by one all points and dimension. Dimension is always millimeter, and this is isometric view, and this is front view, and this is top view. All dimension you can see here, and at first SOLIDWORKS open software and all Gd&T discuss here. Okay, and this point is geometric tolerance. Okay, SOLIDWORKS software open, and open is a this point you can see here. This point is a drawing sheet. Okay, this point is a drawing sheet, and all Gd&T point you can see here: surface finish, weld symbol, hole call out, geometric tolerance, datum features, and datum target, and center mark, center line, and area hedge. And this is a general table. This table is very important in this Gd&T, and this general table, whole table, bill of material, revision table, weld table, bend table, punch table, one by one all point discuss here. But today is only one point. One point is a geometric tolerance. Geometric tolerance is all point you can see here. Okay, this is a all point, and select any line. Okay, this line, and this line. I select this line. Okay, all symbol you can see here. Symbol is a straightness, this flatness, this is a circularity, this is a cylindericity, this is a profile of line, this is a profile of surface, this is a parallel. All symbol is 14th symbol you can see here. This symbol is perpendicular. Okay, all point you can see here. This is a perpendicular, this is a angularity, this symbol is circular runout, this symbol is total runout, this symbol is position, this symbol is concentricity, and this symbol is symmetry. Okay, and today symbol. Okay, this is a position symbol, and tolerance is 0.01, and symbol is maximum material condition, and okay, and primary A. Okay, and this is a symmetric tolerance. Okay, this this is a font change. This is a font change. Font is a 6 point and bold. Okay, guys, thank you.